3 AI technologies that will create the next generation of billionaires. The Billionaire Blueprint, AI's new frontier. Imagine a world where wealth isn't just inherited or earned through decades of toil, but engineered, crafted by those who understand the code of the future. Welcome to the age where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's the architect of fortunes. In this video, we're diving deep into the 3 AI technologies poised to mint the next generation of billionaires. AI-driven stock market. Prediction, the new oracle. The stock market has always been a game of information. Who has it first, and who can act on it fastest? Enter AI, the game changer that's leveling the playing field, and, for some, tilting it entirely in their favor. The rise of the machine traders. Gone are the days when trading floors buzzed with human chatter. Today, it's the silent hum of servers running complex algorithms that dictate market moves. AI-driven platforms analyze vast datasets, earnings reports, news articles, social media sentiment in milliseconds, identifying patterns invisible to the human eye. Take trade ideas, for instance. Their AI, named Holly, sifts through millions of data points daily, generating real-time trading strategies that adapt to market conditions. Users have reported significant improvements in their trading performance, attributing it to the AI's ability to process information without emotional bias. Predictive power, beyond human capability. AI doesn't just react, it predicts. By employing deep learning models, these systems forecast market trends with increasing accuracy. For example, 𝐼𝐸 utilizes a self-learning algorithm that provides daily market forecasts, helping investors make informed decisions. Moreover, platforms like MarketSense AI are pushing boundaries by integrating large language models to process financial news and macroeconomic data, offering a holistic view of the market landscape. Real-world impact. From retail to institutional, it's not just individual traders benefiting. Financial institutions are integrating AI to enhance their trading strategies. Kraft Technologies, backed by SoftBank, has developed AI-powered ETFs that adjust holdings based on real-time data analysis. Their momentum-focused 𝐴𝐚𝐬𝐭 ETF, for instance, dynamically reallocates assets, aiming to optimize returns amid market volatility. The democratization of trading. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect is accessibility. Tools like Zen Ratings offer retail investors AI-driven stock evaluations, leveling the playing field. With user-friendly interfaces and affordable pricing, these platforms empower individuals to make data-informed investment decisions previously reserved for institutional players. Automated e-commerce empires. AI's retail revolution. In the digital age, e-commerce has transformed from a novel convenience to a dominant force in global retail. But the next evolution is here. AI-powered automation is reshaping how online businesses operate, scale, and thrive. The rise of AI in e-commerce. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day tool that's streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, and driving sales. Personalized shopping experiences. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to offer personalized product recommendations. This not only improves user experience but also increases conversion rates. AI-driven personalized product recommendations account for 35% of Amazon's revenue. Inventory management. AI predicts demand trends, helping businesses maintain optimal inventory levels, reduce storage costs, and prevent stockouts or overstock situations. Retailers using AI for inventory management experience a 20% reduction in out-of-stock situations. Dynamic pricing. AI systems adjust product prices in real time based on factors like demand, competitor pricing, and market trends, ensuring competitiveness and maximizing profits. AI-driven dynamic pricing can increase profit margins by up to 25%. Customer service automation chatbots and virtual assistants handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. AI-powered chatbots can handle up to 80% of customer inquiries without human intervention. Supply chain optimization. AI analyzes logistics data to optimize delivery routes, reduce shipping times, and lower transportation costs. AI-enabled supply chains can reduce inventory by 20%. AI-powered real estate investing. The next frontier. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building. Now, with the integration of artificial intelligence, it's undergoing a transformation that's opening new avenues for investors. The rise of AI in real estate artificial intelligence is revolutionizing real estate by predicting market trends. AI algorithms can forecast property price trends with up to 95% accuracy, aiding investors in making informed decisions. Enhancing property valuations. AI-driven tools can deliver property valuations with just a 3% error margin, significantly improving accuracy. Optimizing investment strategies. AI can identify potential investment opportunities with 99% accuracy, allowing investors to allocate resources more effectively. AI and the evolution of real estate assets. The AI revolution is transforming the real estate investment trust, with data centers gaining prominence over traditional asset classes such as offices and shopping centers. Goodman Group is committing over $6 billion to develop data centers globally, including a $1.4 billion project in Sydney's North Shore. Market projections. The global AI real estate market, valued at $2.9 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $41.5 billion by 2033, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 30.5%. AI in real estate is estimated to reduce costs by 26%, with companies experiencing a 50% reduction in time spent on administrative tasks. AI can increase real estate investment yield by up to 20%, offering significant returns for investors. Preparing for the AI-driven real estate market. Invest in AI tools. Explore platforms offering AI solutions tailored to real estate investment. Data collection. Ensure robust data collection methods to feed AI systems accurate and comprehensive information. Continuous learning. Stay updated on AI advancements and best practices to maintain a competitive edge. AI's transformative impact on real estate artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the real estate industry, offering unprecedented opportunities for investors. From predictive analytics and enhanced property valuations to optimized investment strategies, AI is enabling more informed and efficient decision-making. The integration of AI is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift that's reshaping how real estate operates. Embracing the AI-driven real estate future. The real estate sector is undergoing a significant transformation, with AI at its core. As the market continues to evolve, those who leverage AI technologies will be better positioned to identify lucrative opportunities, mitigate risks, and maximize returns. Embracing AI is no longer optional. It's essential for staying competitive in the modern real estate landscape. Seize the AI advantage in real estate. To capitalize on the AI-driven revolution in real estate, educate yourself. Adopt AI solutions. Network with innovators. By taking these steps, you can position yourself to thrive in the next era of real estate investing, where AI is the key to unlocking new levels of success. For more insights and in-depth discussions on how AI is shaping the future of wealth creation, subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters. Stay ahead of the curve and transform your investment strategies with cutting-edge knowledge.